This.
Hello, everyone. My name is Amrinder Singh. I'm from Toronto, Ontario. Before making the decision to join Lighthouse, I was previously working as a truck driver for the last 5 years. I eventually decided to pursue a career in something I had a passion for and interest in. I've learned a lot in the last 12 weeks, and I'm looking forward to sharing my work with all of you guys here today.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aaron Hopkins from Whistler, BC. Before joining the full-time web development bootcamp, I worked as an AVIT officer on board an 80-meter superyacht. I came to Lighthouse Labs looking to learn the skills I would need to launch a career in web development, and I believe after 12 grueling weeks of intense training, I have done just that. For our final project, Amrinder and I chose to develop a project management web application called WorkFlowVault, designed to allow anyone to manage their projects with ease. The major technologies we used for development and deployment were Astro.build, React.js, Tailwind CSS, MongoDB, and Netlify. Astro, Tailwind, MongoDB, and Netlify are not covered in the Lighthouse Labs curriculum, but we wanted to prove to ourselves, as well as potential employers, that we are comfortable being uncomfortable and can learn and be productive with new technologies in a short amount of time. We are proud of what we were able to accomplish in less than 2 weeks. In WorkFlowVault, we implemented features of both multi-page and single-page applications to benefit from initial page load speed, as well as a seamless interactive user experience.
Now we'll do a walkthrough of our website, which we managed to deploy on the internet at workflowvault.netlify.app. I encourage anyone currently watching this to follow along on their own computer. The link to the website has been added in the chat. Navigating to the website, we arrive on the home page where a new user can click on to register, or an existing user can click to log in. For today, we'll log in with an existing user. As soon as we click submit, we'll be taken to our dashboard, which lists all of our projects we are currently a member of. Let's imagine our boss has just added us to a project or several projects, so when I refresh my page, we should see them listed here. Clicking on the View Project button will take me to the project detail page. Now we're in the project detail page, and looking from top to bottom, you can see just below the navbar our project details, including the name, start and end dates, as well as the members of our project team we selected on project creation. Here we can add or remove members of the project as needed. I will now take a moment to add some additional members to the project.
Continuing down below the project details is where a Gantt chart will show where any project tasks begin and end, as well as any dependencies linked with arrows. There are currently 4 different options for colors: red, orange, yellow for high, medium, and low priorities, as well as green for complete. Moving down in the bottom right, we have the task area, where we can see a list of all tasks made for this project. Clicking on a list item reveals the details about the task, such as the name, description, start and due dates, priority, progress, dependencies, and who it is assigned to. At the bottom, you can choose to close the task detail, mark the task as complete, or delete the task. Going back to the list, you can see a Create New Task button at the bottom, and I will now go through creating a new task. After clicking Submit, you will see the task is immediately added to the list, as well as displayed on the Gantt chart. There's also a way to display only the tasks assigned to the logged in user. Lastly, to the left of the task list, we can see a message board area where team members can post messages about anything such as updates or requests for assistance. We also added a way of selecting a different color for each chat message. For example, red may be for an urgent message or green for a completion notification. These messages will update in real time for anyone currently viewing the associated project page. I'll now send a message and wait to receive one in response.
We hope you enjoyed our presentation of WorkFlowVault. We plan to continue improving and adding features, as well as develop an associated mobile app so as to showcase to potential employers our skills in a variety of web technologies. To anyone watching, if you or anyone you know could use a talented web developer, please get in touch. We have left our LinkedIn profiles in the chat. Thank you very much for your time.